Okay, here's the Stig Rob, Red Baron Rob from Switzerland, and he's just cruising down the road to get some more schnaps and get some more Swiss rolls. Listening to his, whoa, a bit of a wheelie there. Listening to his favourite yodeling song on his on-bike stereo. Look at those corners, man. Rob, you never told me you could ride like this. That's incredible. Ah, good old songs from his homeland playing. This guy can ride. Oh, another wheelie there. Good job Vicki isn't on the back. Look at him go. What a man. Rob, you never told me you could ride like that. That's incredible. Even my Suzuki couldn't keep up with you. Yodeling! Hour away, Rob. He's loving it. Look at him go. The music's firing him up now. That's incredible. Join us again for more wonderful Rob's excellent motorcycle adventures. Yeehaw!